Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete rows in Excel. We start by opening our Excel document. If what we want is to delete the content of a cell, we will go over it and press the delete key on our keyboard, or we will right-click on it and choose Clear Contents. If we want to delete the content of a set of cells in a row or column, we are going to select the entire range and then press the delete key on our keyboard, or right-click on it and choose Delete Content. If we want to delete them completely, we will right-click and choose the Delete option to delete them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.